Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you guys had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Simon. Welcome, Simon. Welcome. Hey, Tamara. Welcome. Hey, Taj. Welcome, Taj. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. All right, guys, let's go over the markets. Simon, let me know if you're still in that trade. All right, good job. Let me share my screen here. That Euro Aussie. Okay, so just let me know if you're still in this trade so we can talk about it. Okay. All right, guys, markets were up today. Okay, so the Dow was up, and we talked about the fact that, last week, guys, we had some selling. All right. All right. Simon, good job. All right. Still in. Good job. All right. So we talked about, we had some selling last week in these indexes, and that we would perhaps get some buy-in today. And that's exactly what happened today. All right. So the Dow was up 127 points. NASDAQ was up 280. S&P was up, and the Russell was up. Okay. So let's take a look at the indexes. So we got a bounce on the S&P here, a bounce on the NASDAQ. This was important for the NASDAQ. All right. So we had two white candles here, and then we got a bounce today, which is good. That's encouraging. All right. Still not out of the woods yet. Okay. But at least we got a bounce today. Okay. The Dow kind of, up, but I guess got a bounce also right here on the Dow, right? Trading off that resistance there. And then the IWM, the Russell, held firm today. Okay, VIX was down. VIX fell down a bit. All right, so the VIX is at 1491. So good price action today, guys. So we'll see if we get some follow through tomorrow and into the rest of the week. As far as the sectors look fine here, right here. But let's take a quick look over here. All right. All right. So right now, number one sectors trending the most is telecom. Buy signal here, trading up nicely. That's telecommunications. All right. Consumer discretionary, buy signal here, holding firm. Financial, the XLF. All right. Financial, that's holding. Real estate, surprising here, that's holding above resistance here. All right, home builders also part of that group. That's holding. Communication services consolidating right at resistance. Technology, guys. Just remember, tech gave a sell signal. All right, try to rebound today. But remember, we still have a sell signal. So until we get another buy signal, right, just really be careful adding any technology stocks right now. Biotech, that's holding. That's part of healthcare. Healthcare right here, that's holding. It's buy signal. A lot of the financials, healthcare guys will be part of the Dow, but also the Russell also. Okay, gold, a bit of a pullback. Energy, nothing there. Utilities, holding. And nothing with industrials. Still trying to break past a resistance here. Basic materials holding. Silver, look at that. Some red coming in silver, guys. Okay. And then consumer staples, all right, just holding here. So for the most part, the majority of these sectors are holding, all right, are holding. Hey, Tylag, welcome, Tylag, welcome. Okay. All right. Let's go through guys, current positions, okay? Current positions in Monster Scalper. Our Monster Scalper traders, you guys notice we send out a lot of picks today. All right, so just still continue to trade lightly. All right, just continue to trade lightly. Hopefully, things start moving again. We went over this. We do have volatility, a lot of volatility. All this yellow, for those of you guys who are new with us, all this yellow here, that's good. All right, we track all the currency pairs, about 57. All right, all of them are here, and these are yellow, right? These yellow numbers here. If it's above yellow, if it's above 20 and yellow, that means Forex, the pairs are moving. All right. If it's below 20 and in red, that these pairs are consolidated. All right. The more yellow we have than red, that means as a group on this time frame, which is the daily time frame, right, we have volatility in Forex. That's good. Okay. We want volatility in Forex. We do not want volatility in the equity markets, right, in stocks. So the VIX is what we track here for volatility. We want low volatility. But here, Forex, we want increased volatility. We want movement. So on the daily time frame, we've got volatility here, lots of pairs above 20. Here on the 240-minute time frame, we've got lots of good volatility, and even on the 60-minute here. All right. The only thing we've talked about this, is we want more direction in here in the pairs. All right. Now, what's happening here, guys, we're starting to see some selling coming in on the daily time frame on the yen pair. So you guys should have noticed some short opportunities, right? We've sent out on the yen pair. So we'll go through those. Now, just keep in mind, if the equity markets continue to move higher, these indexes, right, these yen pairs will follow. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, be aware of that. So current positions in Monster Scalper. Now, we did not trade this pair here, and I want to really congratulate Simon for finding this. Simon is fairly new with us, and this is, I believe, Simon, your first trade that you took on your own, first or probably second or third, but good job. All right, and that pair, all right, when we should have added this, because what a good setup. We talked about it last night. All right, and I love it when new traders start finding opportunities like this. Okay, it's one thing to show you guys how to look for these setups. It's another thing when you start finding these setups. All right, it's like rather than telling you how to fish, right, showing you how to fish, right. I think that's the way it goes. So EUR, Euro Aussie was the pair here. EUR AUD. All right, on the 60-minute time frame. So we talked about this. What a great example here. All right, so we talked about this, and the Euro pairs made a move earlier today. So we send out some alerts. So that's very good confirmation on your trade. Okay, Simon. So we looked at this last night, and all right, we had a buy signal here, and I think, Simon, when we looked at it last night, you were right at this candle here. All right, and we talked about if sellers come in, you get a white candle, pay attention to it. If you get a red candle, get out. And the concern here was this was high in the markup phase. All right, so normally when we get into these trades, if it's not a reaccumulation trade, we want to get low in the markdown phase. So this was a really good trade. As you get higher in the markup phase, it gets riskier, and we have a purpose support and resistance here. All right, so your job, Simon, was to just hold on, watch each candle, right? Each candle one at a time, and guess what? Definitely worked out. Now, doesn't happen all the time like this. Okay, so right, we're gonna take losses sometimes. Sometimes it's not gonna work out. Okay, but good job holding. Look at this big candle, broke resistance. So we got more buyers to come in a big way. But the nice thing here is Simon found this trade on your own. All right. So if you can find this one, Simon, all right, find more like this. All right. No guarantee that they're going to work out. Right. So if it failed, a lot of times, sometimes they will fail. Just close the trade, take your loss. All right. If it works out, take your profits. Now, don't do this now because you're brand new, but this is an opportunity where, right, you could also add on a break of resistance, right? That's reaccumulation. So your first buy signal was here, all right, held it, broke through that resistance. Now we have new support and resistance, so that's reaccumulation. So you could add to your position here. So you could take your first position here, second position here. Now, what a beautiful trade going here. Now we have new support and resistance. So guess what? If it breaks through that resistance here, all right, right here, right, closes above that resistance, you could take another trade. So you could have 3 positions going. Okay, don't do it now, all right? All right, you're still fairly new to this, but good job. So guys, just congratulate Simon, just a really good job. And he found this trade all by himself. And another cool thing was this. When we went through these pairs, Forex last night, we did not have a lot of opportunities. And this was perhaps one of the only better opportunities, and Simon found it. So good job. Keep it up. All right, keep it up. All right, guys, let's go through current positions, and we added quite a bit. You guys know we didn't have much here last night, so we've added quite a bit. Okay, so let's go through those. USD NOK on the 60-minute time frame. All right, 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. All right, so USD NOK, that's still holding. Buy signal here, it's holding right here. Okay, EUR SEK, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. All right, EuroCAD buy signal here, breaking out here. If you guys are looking for a trade, this is similar to Simon's trade, right? Buy signal here, breaking out, still early, up from this area here, from your resistance to current, that's about 20 pips. All right, still fairly close. Okay, that's EuroCAD. All right, so you guys notice the Euro pairs, pound pairs, finally moving. Okay, now we've some of them have moved for a while. On the 240, you've missed some opportunities, but on the 60-minute, there are definitely opportunities there. Okay, pound CAD, guys, pound CAD buy signal here. Here is your pullback, right? And we have a beautiful cup and handle here, just waiting to break through here. All right, so pound CAD holding firm, buy signal here, higher lows, right? Higher lows here, moving up nicely. Just need to break through that resistance. All right, so pound CAD looks good. Pound SGD, buy signal is here, good pullback, right? We'll call this a markdown, right? Markdown phase here. Buy signal on the break of this resistance, holding firm. We need to get to target right here. So we have a lot of resistance here, but good setup. All right, so notice, guys, in 24 hours, right, things have changed. We've got some opportunities, which is good. Okay. All right, so pound SGD, EUR SGD, same thing here. Now with this trade here, we've got a lot of consolidation in here. All right, so we don't have a lot of good price action. All right, that's not good here. All of this not good. But what we're looking for is to get past all of this. Okay, so buy signal here, resistance is here. Okay, so we need price to break through that resistance and move higher. So if we can get past this resistance, that would be good. Okay, so Euro, EUR, SGD. So pound pairs, Euro pairs making a move higher. Okay, again, we've missed some opportunities on the 240. So if you guys look at the 240 Don't chase those, right? Be careful, okay? We do have a couple here on the 240, but most of them we've missed, okay? On the 240. EURSEK, all right, buy signal here, nice break, okay? I wouldn't chase this. That's gone. That's about 100 pips on the 240, so that's gone. All right, Euro ZAR, all right, still holding buy signal here and needs to break through that resistance there, okay? All right. Sticking with Monster Scalper, short positions. Short positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. On the 60-minute. Now, all of these we added today, guys. Please be careful trading these shorts, these yen pairs, okay? All right, Swiss yen. All right, sell short signal is here, currently holding. We need to get past support here. Sell short signal is here. Now, like I said, be careful with these yen pairs, okay? The overall trend is long. This is still a counter trend trade. We have seen some selling, some exit signals on the daily time frame, but that the market continues to move higher. These yen pairs will follow quickly. Okay, that's what they do. So just be careful. CAD yen. All right, sell short signal is here. Right, we need that to break through that support. Now it did, had previous good shorts. Okay. So we're deep in the markdown phase, all right? So buyers could come in quickly all of a sudden, all right? The market has a big update tomorrow, equity markets, and Wednesday, this could all change, okay? So just be aware of that. Aussie yen, all right? Really good short trade here, all right? Sell short signal is here. Hopefully we can break through support down here. This would be redistribution, all right? And if you get a decent trade, that's fine, all right? All right, okay. Pound yen, all right? Pound yen, sell short signal here. It's holding, all right? If anyone is trading it, what we like to see overnight. Now, we don't have any data coming out, I don't believe. No data coming out on Tuesday. However, Wednesday, guys, so just make a note. On Wednesday, we have data coming out on the euro pairs and on the pound pairs, and then in the New York session with the dollar pair. Dollar, all right, New York session on this is on Wednesday, but all clear, all right, overnight Tuesday. So here, pound yen, we need sellers to come on back down, red candles, test support, and breakthrough, hopefully. SGD, JPY, same thing here, okay? Same thing here. If you're trading this, those candles turn green there, get out, okay? Close the trade. Now, we are a bit late to the party here, all right? Had two shorts here, but you guys know we've tried these yen pairs before and got stuck, all right? Had to cover, so just be careful shorting them. Euro yen, all right? Same thing, sell short signal here, a bit of a pullback. We need sellers to come on back down, okay? Right now in the futures market, equity, it's mixed. Right now, E-minis are mixed, okay? Dollar is currently down, okay? HKD, JPY, same thing, okay? So do not go aggressive on these shorts, okay? So far, the better trade, guys, right now, the better trade might be the euro pairs, All right, euro and pound pairs. Okay. Aussie yen. All right, sell great short here. All right, sell short signal is here, still holding. Need to break to support down here. Okay, to keep going there. Okay. All right. Again, deep in the markdown phase. Now, this is a 60 minutes, so it could go lower, but just know, right? Deep in the markdown phase, we could see buyers come in and start moving higher. Okay. Short positions on Monster Scalper, but on the 240. Let's go through those. All right. So pound yen is the only one. And it's still holding right now. Pound yen short on the 240. All right, so we need that pound yen to get past resistance here. This is a difficult trade here. Just know buyers could come in, guys. All right, here's the overall trend. All right, right here, buyers could come in. All of a sudden, we're moving higher. All right, so don't trust these shorts with these yen pairs. In Forex Dominator, we also added some positions. Okay. We've got two shorts. So New Zealand yen, we've been in that short already. So New Zealand yen, that's working out so far, so good. Sell short signal here. Nice move down today. Target all the way down here. All right. Here is your reverse V. All right. Peter calls it the mountain here. That's okay. So that's it. Target here. All right. Looks good. Looks really good to keep coming down. Worst case, you got support right about here. All right. But your real support is down here. All right. And then we have New Zealand dollar, fairly new. All right. Looks very similar. Sell short signal is here. All right. So we got some of this here today. And your target is support down here. Okay. This on the daily time frame, very choppy trading here, but this is what we're looking for. So we have resistance up here. All right, you can actually bring it here, but let's do it right here. Right here, 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 and we're looking for a break. All right, a move down to support here, and then hopefully break that support. Okay. Long positions, we have several long positions. And again, euro pairs and pound pairs are, we're getting buy signals in Forex Dominator. Okay, so let's take a look. So definitely a move is happening in those euro pairs. You guys know we didn't have anything in these euro pairs for a while. Pound yen is still holding, guys. It's buy signal. All right, it's perhaps the only yen pair that's still holding its buy signal on the daily. All right, so buy signal here, pound yen still holding. Let's remove this. All right, euro, EURSEK, buy signal here. All right, so those of you trading our Forex Dominator traders, pay attention to this move in these euro pairs. All right, in Forex Dominator. Okay, so buy signal here, and here we are, target here. All right. All right, moving up nicely there. EURSEK, EURNOK, same thing, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Now, with these trades, most of these, you're going to be breaking out of a very wide range. All right, so very wide support and resistance range. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, all right, so support is here, resistance is here. Now it is a wide range. That range is for about 500-600 pips. Okay, so wide range. Buy signal here, breaking out of that resistance here. Okay, so still good. I know it's past that buy signal, but that trade really starts here. Okay, so we need to break through that resistance, get past, right, sellers right here, EURN. Okay, so you guys see what's going on with these euro pairs. All right, EUR, CAD, euro, CAD. All right, let's draw it out. Here's resistance right about here. Support is down here, and it is breaking out of that zone there. Okay. All right, you can play with that support, but bottom line, it's breaking out. All right, so we need that to continue. Euro, New Zealand, same thing. I know it looks choppy here, guys, but they are breaking out. Okay, they are breaking out. If they come back in, just close the trade. You get a white candle, red candle, sell signal, but they are breaking out. So there's definitely something going on here. Okay, so it needs to get past this whole area here. That's Euro, New Zealand. Okay, Pound CAD. Also breaking out. All right, in Forex, dominator, buy signal here. All right, if you've missed it, don't get in. Pound SGD, same thing. All right, buy signal here, breaking out. I know it looks bad, guys. This look because they've struggled. These pound pairs and these euro pairs have been have struggled for months. For you guys notice for months. All right, so so you know don't worry about this too much. Okay, we looks like we're getting past all of that. So hopefully we get that follow through continues, but we are getting past this. So. Okay, they've got to break out sometime. Okay, at some point. Pound HKD. So resistance is here. All right, you can take a small position and then build as you as it gets going. You know, this Forex dominator, we trade on the longer time frame, so you know we have time to build positions. Okay, buy signal on a break of resistance. We're clearing that area. A bit of a pullback, purple support and resistance. Keep that in mind. All right. Quick look at the weekly here. Let's see what we've got. Potential here on the weekly, also breaking out. Buy signal here, so it is also breaking out, guys, on the weekly here. On the monthly, let's see. Upside. On the monthly here, we have a first big candle right here. All right, so let's make sense of this. Try to at least. So on the monthly, just to give you guys an idea of the potential. All right, so on the monthly, because I know it doesn't look good. These charts don't look very good. So support is here, resistance is here on the monthly, and we got this month here, current month, we've got buyers coming in here. Okay, so when we go back to the daily, all right, I know it doesn't look good here. Now, when we go back to the daily, you can see there's potential to get past all of this. Okay? All right. That's the point. All right. Not easy trading here. And it's been difficult for a while, but looks like they want to break out. Okay, so pound HKD, Aussie HKD, the same thing here. All right, if you're going to trade these, our Forex dominator traders, I would bring in your lines and just monitor these closely. Look at that. This goes back almost a year, guys. Right? Those of you been trading with us, you guys know, very difficult trading, but looks like they want to break out now. Okay. All right. Let's go through. Our NAS, we have I almost forgot. Equities. Stock boss. So current positions in stock boss. Now, I ran stock boss earlier, guys. We're down to 60. All right, remember stock boss, that's small cap. We got up to about 200 last week, early last week. Now we're down to 60. So they're slowing a bit. BGC, buy signal here, that's holding. BRKL, buy signal, all right, good buy signal, good markdown phase. All right. Markdown phase, markup, accumulation, markup, buy signal, holding firm. All right. Good price action, SLQT, buy signal here. Good move higher today, 13%. That's a big deal for stock. All right. Holding. We'll go through this quickly. Holding. Nice bounce. ALEC, holding firm. Nice move higher. BVS, breaking resistance, good. CCC, holding. All right, EBS, moving higher again. Target all the way up here, right? Never give a white candle or red candle, holding firm near its target, so just keep an eye on it. If anyone is trading it, keep an eye on it. But good trade going there. All right, that's good. Holding firm. Okay, so stock boss. Stocks are holding. Now we trimmed some of these. So these are the healthier stocks, okay? But heat seeker pull back a bit. Bullmaster, all right? Selling can come back, guys, at any time, okay? That's holding. Robinhood, that's holding. And Royal Caribbean, holding firm. And then Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Apple got a bounce. Is that a bounce? No, it's holding. Just holding today. APO, nice move higher today. AX, nice move higher. That's financial. Car, that's holding. Coke is holding. CRDO, guys, white candles got a bounce. Still a white candle. We'll hold that. Goldman Sachs, is Joe on here? Joe, let me know if you're still holding Goldman Sachs. Okay. All right. I know the smaller time frame, we had looked at the smaller time frame. Hold on here. And Goldman Sachs had given sell signals on the smaller time frame. All right. Let's take a look at the 60-minute time frame sell signal here. All right. So that's 60-minute, boy. That's still in trouble there. Okay. And on the 240, right, sell signal still in trouble. Buyers are not coming in on that 60 or 30. Okay. All right. You're still holding. All right. Good job. You're a strong man. All right. So it's holding on that daily. Keep an eye on, I would say keep an eye on perhaps that's, if you're still in it, like, just keep an eye on that 60-minute and what you need to look for, see if buyers come in. All right. So you could do something like this on the 60-minute just to help you. All right. And what you could do if you want to be aggressive, right? If it gives you a buy signal, right? So you could do something like this. If it breaks through that resistance on that 60-minute time frame, you're holding it on the daily. But if it breaks through that resistance, gives you a buy signal on the 60-minute, right? So this would be a continuation. On the daily, you could perhaps add to your position, okay, to your Goldman Sachs position, okay? All right, good job holding it. All right, but still be careful though. You have sellers on the smaller time frame. All right, but if buyers come in, you get a buy signal. That's good. Okay. All right. That's holding. PIPR, good move higher. Buy signal was right here, guys, at 215, trading at 262, holding firm. PLTR, that's holding. All right, ROL looks to break through a new resistance level right here. All right, so if anyone is in it, buy signal here, breaking resistance here. This might be an area here to add. But again, guys, be careful. Tesla got a bit higher. All right, held support, short-term support, near-term support right here. All right, needs to break through resistance here. ZETA, good move higher here. All right, so buy signal here, good price action. Okay, so not a bad day for stocks. However, with all of these markets, just trade lightly, guys. A lot of selling last week. Okay, so, just be careful. No, we don't have any sell signals, all right, in these sectors. Okay, but we might be fine, but just be aware what's going on. Okay, VIX is at 1491, so that's good for now. Okay, all right. Let's take a look at the US 30 NAS 100. So let's see here. Let me share. All right. All right, the NAS 100, we send out a buy signal on the NAS 100, which is right here. Okay, so we're NAS 100 traders. Now, we do have a buy signal on the 60. We do not have a buy signal on the daily time frame, but we do have a white candle. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, no, we don't have data coming out tomorrow, so we shouldn't have any crazy volatility. Okay, what's nice is here it's a good markdown phase on that 60-minute time frame. All right. The NAS has been trading really well on the daily. What we're looking for is a continuation. So on the daily, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. We got a bounce today. Red candle, then a white candle here. What we would like to see overnight into tomorrow. All right, a green candle perhaps test this resistance here. If that happens, this buy signal, all right here on the NAS could work out. Okay, so let's draw it out. So here's your markdown phase. All right, accumulation, and now here's your markup phase. All right, accumulation, buy signal, green candles, buyers are coming in. Okay, so the target is right about here. Okay. Right about here is your target, but again, we need that daily to develop, and that will help the 60-minute time frame. Okay, we don't expect a lot to happen overnight. Like I said, no data is coming out. If you're trading it, our NAS 100 traders, keep an eye on it. On the US 30, right? US 30, we saw the Dow was up today. The Dow is holding so far. Okay, if we get very similar to the NAS, if we get a buy signal on a break of resistance right here, guys. All right. When you guys are trading, bring in your lines. I know we have the support and resistance lines, right, built into your systems, but bring in these horizontal lines too to help you frame the price. Okay, so markdown, accumulation, all we're waiting for is a buy signal. Right, that should probably come on a break of resistance here. And on the daily time frame, we have a buy signal already. all right, this can be very bullish. When you get that pullback to resistance, previous resistance becomes support, and if it holds, then we get buyers to come back in. That can be bullish, all right, very bullish, and then this will give us a buy signal here, and look how it's trading before. So our US 30 traders, monster US traders, be on high alert. This could be a good trade. Okay, so we've got the setup already on the NAS. All right, wait on the US 30 and the S&P. Let's see what's going on with the S&P. So S&P also has a buy signal. So we'll send this out to our S&P traders. All right, our E-mini S&P. So S&P, all right, E-mini S&P on the 60-minute time frame. We are long. All right, buy signal. Okay, so E-mini S&P. All right, on the daily time frame, we got a buy signal and it's holding. All right, this is a very bullish sign, right? White candle followed by a green candle there, and it's holding. Only concern, major concern, it has a purple support and resistance. Okay, so kind of like here. So that might slow the price down. But overall, good setup here. Okay, our job is to find the good setups. All right. You guys know what's going on with Monster Scalper Stock Boss. And we've got some time left here. Okay, hold on. Do you guys see my, you guys don't see my screen? Hold on. You guys didn't see my... All right. Did you guys see? Let me know if you guys saw the S&P, the charts on the S&P, NAS, and the US 30. I don't think I was sharing it. Anyway, I'll go through it again. Okay, so here, US 30 waiting for a buy signal right here, guys, on the US 30. Okay, daily looks good. On the NAS 100, here's the buy signal here. All right, we don't necessarily need a buy signal or even a green candle on the daily. White candle is fine. Red candle we don't need. All right, we would wait for that. On the S&P, all right, green candle coming in on that daily. 2 green candles here, and on the 60-minute buy signal here, and that's holding. Okay, all right. All right, Stock Boss, Bull Master, and we're done. All right, we're just going to run those, and then we'll be done. So let's do this. All right. So our Stock Boss traders, remember, this is all these stocks, right? The IWM represents Stock Boss, so small caps. Okay, we have only 60 right now. Now, that's a drop from last week. Okay, now if you look through here, we've got healthcare, a little, you know, what's that? 5 financials, but healthcare. All right, biotech. So if you guys are looking for an opportunity, you might want to look in healthcare. All right, the Russell held today, but you know it's slowing a bit. Okay, so just be careful. All right. All right, so healthcare, nothing in tech. All right, so be careful with technology. We do not have a buy signal in that sector. Okay, so healthcare, SLQT, that's financials. We're in that already. All right, VLY, we'll add that in Stock Boss. That is financials. So VLY in Stock Boss. VLY, okay? That's financials. All right, FFWM, FFWM on the weekly time frame. Guys, look at that weekly time frame. Lots of good selling. On the weekly, it fell from $28. All right. On the weekly, trading at 670. Buy signal came in right here. Good markdown phase. Accumulation, buy signal. No, the first buy signal failed. Bottom break of resistance, sold here on the break of support. Here we are looking to break through resistance again right here. Right, higher lows here, all green candles. Right, we just need to break through that resistance and look at the markdown phase here. Okay, so we'll add that, and this is financial. So FFWM. All right, in Stock Boss. So we've got 2 here in Stock Boss. And so biotech, healthcare, financials, like I said, tech. I would hold off on tech in Stock Boss. Bull Master, Hit Seeker. We've got 100, which is not bad. Our Bull Master traders, see all these financials here. Financials, financials, financials. Okay, look at that. Okay, so go through our bull market, go through those. I would be concerned with technology. All right, just wait for technology. All right, healthcare, not a lot in healthcare here, but financials. Okay, look at that. All of these financials, these banks, all right, with all the talk about lowering rates, that should help the banks. That's why they're moving. Okay, so financials. All right, we'll just go through this quickly. What time is it? Okay. All right, so our Bull Master traders, not Bull Master Pro, just Bull Master traders, right here. Lots of financials. Okay, lots of financials. And we ran, 100? And I would say about half, probably half are financials, okay? Like a few healthcare, few tech, but financials, okay? Bull Master Pro, Green Day, guys. So Green Day, right? Very good day. Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Let's see here. Our Bull Master Pro traders, keep an eye on your relative strength at new high. All right, is Tylac on here? Tylac is on here. Joe is on here. So keep here. We got REVG. It's just waiting for a buy signal. Okay, your best opportunities will come from relative strength. All right, at new highs and these new highs. Okay, especially right now, these are reaccumulations. Okay, but these are making new highs. All right, so they're making new highs, and these are reaccumulations. So REVG. All right, here it is right here. Previous trade did well. Here is resistance here. Buyers are coming back in. So all we need to do is wait for that buy signal. Okay. Now, always be aware of what's going on with the overall market. Okay. But right here. So it's consolidating right here, right in here. Previous trade bought here, sold here. Big candle came in today. All right. So in your Bull Master Pro, right, relative strength. Just make a relative strength at new highs and new highs. Those are going to be, you have other buckets there, but those are going to be the ones you want to pay attention to. Okay, and if you have symbols that are showing up in several of these buckets, boy, you really want to pay attention. Okay, big buyers came in today, guys. Okay, and this is relatively inexpensive. Okay, trading at $26. So rather than trading the option, you can actually trade the underlying here. Okay, same thing here with, and these are at the top. Same thing here with IESC. Okay, previous trade did really well. Buy signal was at 71, sold at 147. All right, big candle came in here, and that will give us a buy signal soon. Wait for your buy signal on the break of this resistance right up here. All right, good cup and handle. That's a beautiful cup and handle here. All right, here is your cup, and then here is your handle. Very bullish sign. Breaks through, just wait for that buy signal. Okay, form, I think, we got other form. Form might give another buy signal. So play right in here, guys, right in here. Relative strength at new highs and new highs. Okay, one more. All right, BMI, right? Sell signal here, bought here, sold here. All right, got back in here. And then here we are breaking resistance right here. All right, buy signal will come in on that soon. Big candles here. Pay attention to when you've got big candles like here, like here. Okay, those are big institutions. And these have great fundamentals. All right, guys. All right. A lot of information. All right. Our monster scalper traders, pay attention to the euro pairs and the pound pairs. Okay. That seems to be the trade right now. Okay. Financials for equities. Financials. Okay. And tech. Be careful. Okay, let's take one last look here at the Magnificent Seven. Okay, so I know we had an update today. All right, but Tesla is holding. NVIDIA has given a sell signal. So just be aware of that. Don't chase these stocks, guys. Tesla, in order to get back, NVIDIA, in order to get back, we need another buy signal on the daily. This can change, all right? So we have a sell signal here, and that, this candle here is today. That can change. Sellers could come back in, okay? So just be aware of that. And that's tech, right? AI. Google right here, same thing here. All right, red candles here. Meta, sell signal, all right, has been struggling. So don't chase these. That trade is done for now. Microsoft, same thing here, sell signal. And then Apple is holding firm right here. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, guys, thanks for coming. Simon, good job. Good job, good job, good job. Found your trade, found a really good trade with Aussie. Which one was it? Euro, Aussie. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Keep doing that. Keep learning, keep doing that. All right, guys, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye-bye.